It's funny because every time I post about how to sleep with curly hair, which I posted about like 87,000 times, my comments are flooded with, but I have short hair. How do I sleep with short curly hair? And honestly, I get it. And I apologize for not making this video sooner because sleeping with short curly hair adds a whole nother level of difficulty. So I see you. My hair's not short right now, but I had short hair a long time ago. And my mom has short hair and I'm always like on the phone with her telling her what to do. Because you don't have enough length to like do a full pineapple in the place a pineapple should be. And it is way too easy to wake up with flat curls. So we're just gonna try to avoid that. So today I'm gonna break down and model for you on a mannequin, not myself because I do not have short hair, exactly how to sleep with short curly hair without ruining your curl pattern or your hair's volume. So let's get started. If you are new here, my name is Barbie. I'm a curly hair coach and I help people just like you love their hair. And I do that through videos just like this or through my curly hair subscription called Curls Monthly. I will link that below. Essentially, Curls Monthly is a subscription box. So each month you'll actually get 5 products of your choosing. You can completely customize your box. We have almost 200 products that you can choose from. So there's lots to look at and it starts at just $28 a month. So if you want the products sent to you, if you also want your hand held with education, Curls Monthly is going to be your girl. First, let's just talk about and chat about why your curls need a nighttime routine of some type. First things first, you need to be protecting your curls at night no matter what. You need to be protecting your curls at night no matter what. If what you've been doing right now is just going to sleep with your hair down and sleeping, or going to sleep even worse with wet hair and hoping that it wakes up looking okay, or even worse, going to sleep in just like a ponytail, expecting your curls to look nice, your curls will never last. They will just never last. Protecting your curls at night will help prevent frizz. It will help prevent breakage, dryness, loss of definition. When you sleep with your hair down, the friction just alone from your pillowcase can cause damage. Protecting your curls at night will save time in the morning and also just save time in general because you're going to be able to extend your wash day. So then there's less work you have to do on day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. before you get in the shower again. So how do we sleep with short hair? I am going to display for you how to do it in a second. All you need is 3 things. Number 1, 2 satin or silk scrunchies. You definitely want to use scrunchies instead of regular hair ties for a number of reasons. Regular hair ties are going to destroy your curl pattern. They're going to cause breakage when you pull them out. They're going to cause breakage as they sit in. They also cause ponytail lines, which is not cute for your hair. They're too tight. They're too dramatic. Just stick to the scrunchies, okay? The second thing that you're going to need is either a silk or satin bonnet or pillowcase or both. In general, you want to avoid cotton pillowcases because it causes too much friction. But if you're putting a bonnet on, you don't really need a satin pillowcase because you already have the satin bonnet. But the satin pillowcase also helps your skin. So it's always beneficial to have a satin pillowcase. Using a silk or satin pillowcase or bonnet will just help prevent friction, which of course then frizz and breakage will be prevented. So today the specific scrunchies that I'm using are the Goody Ouchless Forever Scrunchies. This 2-pack of scrunchies in these nice, beautiful neutral colors actually just entered Curls Monthly in March 2026. So subscribers will actually get to pick them and put them in their mailer. Of course, while supplies last. The scrunchies, like I said, come in 2 colors. They're nice, earthy, neutral colors. They have that beautiful satin silk texture to them, so it's just going to help your curls, you know, feel beautiful and just ensure dentless style. Comfortable, it's gentle on your hair for all day long wear. It's not gonna like pull your hair out of your hair when you take it out. There's not gonna be any like hair balls wrapped around it. And it's 3 times stronger actually than natural elastics. If you feel like kind of the elastic on the inside, like that thing is strong. Like it's not going anywhere, it's not breaking. The 16-strand inner core, which is what I feel, allows it to retain its original shape and always just scrunch back to where the scrunchie started. So it's not going to also stretch out. They are even recommended by Goody as a sleep scrunchie to prevent your hair from, you know, looking bad when you're sleeping. But of course you can use them to style your hair. You can wear them like a regular scrunchie at the end of your ponytail, whatever. But of course this video is all about sleeping. So I'm gonna show you how to do it on my mannequin. Her name's Amber. Let's do it. So this is Amber. Here's your step-by-step sleeping tutorial for short hair. So first things first, you're going to take actually the top half of your hair. So like, you know, the hair from here up. And you are going to very gently bring it to the very top of your head like a unicorn. So you don't want it to be sitting back here, like you want it to be sitting up next to your scalp. Then you're going to take one of your 2 scrunchies and just tie it around. Depending on how thick your hair is, you can tie it around once or twice. I'm gonna tie it around twice for her because she actually does not have that much hair. You don't want it to be super tight. You just want it to be tight enough to stay on throughout the night, but loose enough to not leave any dents. Then you just take the rest of your hair at the bottom and you tie that around once or twice as well. It kind of like is giving like Sherlock Holmes hat, like you know the hat with like 2 brims. It's kind of what we're doing here. Do you look ridiculous? Yes. Does it matter? No. So you can either just go to sleep like this and sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase and just leave it as is. Or you can also, what I prefer to do is put a bonnet over it. So with the bonnet, you would just obviously put it over top and then sleep like this. You look beautiful, you never look better. Oh, I missed a piece of hair. Don't miss a piece of hair. And that is it. It is so easy. When you wake up, your curls will still be intact. Of course, you may need to do a little bit of a refresh, a little bit of a scalp zhuzh, but you will not have to restyle your entire head of hair. Your curls will not be crazily stretched out. And of course, if you're wondering how you to sleep with long hair like me, I do have videos like that on my channel. I'll link one below. Definitely check out our Goody Ouchless Forever Satin Scrunchies. Like I said, they're in this month's Curls Monthly. If you're looking for new, cute scrunchies, add to your nighttime routine or just like your everyday look, these are so great for you. Of course, I will drop that link below and drop any questions below. I would love to answer them. See you next time.